In this video, I'll show you how to wrap text around an image in Microsoft Word. Click where you want to insert an image. Go to Insert, Pictures, and select your image. Click Insert to place it in the document. By default, Word treats images as inline text, but we can change that with text wrapping. Click on the image to open the Picture Format menu. Select Wrap Text, then choose how you want the text to flow around the image. Square for text around the border. Tight for wrapping around irregular shapes. Top and bottom for spacing above and below. Behind text or in front of text for layering. Move the image anywhere, and Word will adjust the text automatically. And that's it. Now you know how to wrap text around images in Word. If you found this video helpful, please click the like button and subscribe to our channel for even more helpful tutorials.